Are you planning for a party with your friends? Let's try a glam look today. Come on.
Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Beauty Health Tips, and this is Pratima. Do you know which part of your face needs more clarity when you are going for a makeup? Guess what? Yes, those are the eyes. The eye portion of our face needs more clarity. The more prominent your eyes will become, the more appreciation you will get while you're presenting your makeup. But friends, suppose you don't have ample accessories for your eye makeup. What do? How would you make your eyes look prominent? Today I have brought a very simple and effective solution of easy eye makeup. By using those simple accessories, you can easily get a smoky and glam look to your eyes. Yes, let's get started for a party eye makeup.
The first thing that you need is a simple kajal. The next is eyebrow pencil. Then you need an eyeliner. I'm using Lakme. Then eyeshadows of Blue Heaven. You can use any brand. Another thing is eye base. The brushes for eye makeup is necessary as well. Now, see, I've come to a makeup artist and she has applied the eye foundation first. Yes, the light ones will be appropriate. Do it very well, blend it with your hand so that there are no unevenness in the eye makeup. Now you can use a makeup blender or a cotton or a simple cloth for blending the eye portion evenly. The next thing is making a shape to the eyebrow. She's using a brush and kajal on it. See how she's making the eyebrow to a perfect shape. My eyebrows are a little bit light color, dull look. So she's making it look prominent with kajal and a brush. Watch it carefully. Take time to do it evenly because the eyebrows are very important part of eye makeup. Then rub the excess eyebrow makeup with a cotton cloth or beauty blender so that the eyebrows look perfect. Watch how she's doing. Now she is applying the eyeshadow, the darker tone, because we are going to give a smoky eyes look, a party and a glam look. You can mix, if you have light eyeshadows, you can mix kajal with it to give a smoky eyes look. Do it to your second eye also. Make an even distribution of the eyeshadow. She's making it prominent by using the brush, the blending brush. This will make the eyes look prominent. The next thing is eyeliner. Put it over the eyelashes. Do it evenly so that there are no leakage. Use a brush evenly. While doing this, you have to be very careful. This is just like a painting brush. You can give any look to your eyes with this eyeliner. Now you can use it in your under eye portion with the lower eyelashes. This will make your eyes look bigger. Waterline. Otherwise there is a tendency of eye irritation. See, now she's doing the finishing makeup to my eye. She's blending with other colors. It is getting a glam look now. Some glitters are there, some pinkish finishes there, some purple finishes there with smoky look. Now you can see in the eyes how glamorous look, yet it's not very loud. So you can try this, and you can apply a very light color eyeshadow between your eyeshadows of dark color and the eyebrows. See, it will give a prominent look to your eyes. Guys, now just watch to my before and after look. What a difference. See, this is 3 type of eye appearances. One is open eye, one is closed, and one is just the natural front view of the eye.
So guys, it's time for you to try the eye makeup which I have just shown you in the video. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely answer it back. So goodbye for now, and I will come back with other videos, other creative and useful videos. Thank you.